amount.
If I could choose how to pay, Zipwire's the way, cause your friends will pay you back that very same day.
No whistles, gotta be dumb. Trusting our friends when they only bums.
Hold up. Hold up. I'm not dumb. It ain't my fault the dwarfs don't pay me back.
Every time this happens, every time they say they pay you back and you don't.
It's not my fault. Doc always got his bills, and Sleepy always wants to play in coins, and I just got my card. It ain't my fault.
Yeah, well, I told you about Zipwire. I know all those little dwarfs got cell phones, and if you have a cell phone, you have Zipwire.
Well, we're gonna have to go to Philly and use my Zipwire account then, right?
Like I told you.
Girl, I'll be doing it, right?